Most of you guys, when you think about AI automations, you think you need to write code or wire up something on NHN, make.com or Zapier. Well, I'm not using any of these, but I still build automations with AI every single day. How? I use Claude Code with my $20 a month subscriptions and talk to it in a plain English. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build AI automations inside Claude Code, something called routine. So what is routine? I just speak a natural English and I still build real automations, real workflows, real AI agents. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code to build any AI automation or any workflow for your business or for yourself. You don't need to pay any external tool to use, no init, no coding, no trigger dev, no deploying, just inside your Claude Code and you are very much good to go. So let's get into the video. Just to recap, in the last couple of few episodes, we talk about this, what is Claude Code and how it evolved from chat to co-work to Claude Code, which is an autonomous AI agent. And we set it up in our machine, in terminal, desktop app, and VS Code extension. And we talk about the 4 C's, which is the first one, the context. We write down context. I'll give Claude instructions about us, things to know about us, or about our project, about our businesses. And the second C was connection. We connect them to tools we are using: Slack, Meta, Higgsfield for Creative, Google Calendar, Gmail, even NHN. And then to your social medias, and we give them capability, which is the third C, capability. What AI agent, what Claude can do with these tools, how much access we gave AI agent to these tools. But until now, we still need to prompt AI to do anything we want. If we want to write an email, we still need to prompt, hey, write an email for maybe, I don't know, James, Joan, or create an event in my calendar, or create campaigns in my Meta ad account. But we don't want that. We want something to work even if we are asleep. I want my AI agent to do things even if I didn't ask it to. I just tell him once, hey, I want you to do this every morning. Oh, I want you to do this if X happen. I want you to do Y. So that is the 4C, which is cadence or autonomy. So the cadence is where we tell our AI agent, hey, we want to do things on a schedule or on a trigger. When something happens, then you do something else. So that is the cadence, and in this video we are going to look at how we are going to set cadence inside Claude Code on a schedule and on a trigger. And then we have something on a GitHub, that's something run automatically on a response to a repository, pull requests, etc. But I'm going to show you just these two ways. So on scheduled, this will run on a recurring cadence like hourly, nightly, weekly, or at a specific future time. Oh, on a trigger or API trigger, don't look at that API, just focus on trigger. So trigger is just when X happen, then Y will happen. So when I receive an email that the subject is urgent, write a reply or draft a reply and notify me. So the difference between scheduled and trigger work on demand. If something happened, then something else will happen. If something didn't happen, nothing will happen. But on a schedule, every hour send me a brief email. Every night send me a brief email what happened on my day today, on a weekly, etc., etc. You get the idea. So let me just show you a demo and show you how to build it in a real quick way. So this is a demo inside my Claude Code, inside desktop app. Come to routine, just under artifact. Under routine, you will see I have 5 routines running right now. You might have nothing, and then we have 2 options. We either run them locally on our machine or in the cloud. If we run them locally, we did nothing, because if your laptop is off, this automation is not going to run. But in the cloud, this will run on Anthropic infrastructure. Even if your laptop is off, this is going to be run. So just to show you a demo, I have this one called AI Radar brief, morning brief. This will send me every morning an AI Radar what happened in the AI space. So this was the goal, to scan all the documentations and changelog. I gave him this source to look at, which is like Anthropic, OpenAI, XAI, Google AI, etc., etc. These are the steps it's going to take, and then it's going to send me a Gmail, and it saved the brief in Notion. I'm going to show you a Gmail sample here. So this was a Gmail sent today on 30th of July, and today is 30th July. And when I open this brief, I will see the brief and I can read it. So number 1 is MCP. The vendor is Anthropic. When I go to source, I will open this source link and I will read the article, the full article about the MCP and what happened to it from here. So this just keep me on top of things and what's happening in the AI space. And a lot of things, so like 5 or 6 things that happen in the AI space today, 15 things actually. So this is something run on a schedule, and if you have something you are interested in like this, you want to keep it on top of it, you want to hear a news about something, maybe about not AI, maybe about football, you want to have a news, what happened in the AI, or what happened in AI, what happened in the football space every single day, just give it these instructions, not exactly this, but kind of similar. I mean, the source, you might change the source. And to build this automation, just create a new and then slash and then schedule, and just talk to it in a plain English like this. Hey, I want to create an automation or a brief that send me a brief on my Gmail every morning about football news and transfer window. And just click enter and make sure you have connected your Gmail account so the AI will know your Gmail to send you that brief. And just click enter, and this will create that workflow. Every morning will send you an email brief about what happened in the AI and transfer window. So I'm not interested in football, so I'm not going to create this schedule, but you get the idea. This is the automation that work on a schedule. And then I have another one which is not work on a schedule, but rather on API and triggers. You can see it's API and trigger enabled. This is something about my video creation system. So is Yura Mahmoud video prep. So I have this Notion page, which is my video, my YouTube video system. When I create a new page and I name it, I don't know what video I'm going to make, maybe Keme. So this new page, and you will see here in a property, I have something called workflow. When I turn this into ready, the AI is going to do a research, and it's going to save a research into Notion, not into Notion. I'm going to do a research, and it's going to write 3 titles to test. I'm going to create 3 thumbnail concept, the files with video, outline, and deck. So this is the workflow inside Notion. You connect. You only need to connect your Notion to Claude and create this automation. So this automation here, as you can see, the trigger is ready. When I change this property into ready, it's going to send a webhook into this API, which is Claude Code, and it's going to do the things I have specified to him to do it. So these other things is going to be to do. So to set up something like this that work on a trigger, and not just like that, it's going to save into Notion and send me a Gmail if it's done, and create the thumbnail using Higgs field. So to set this up, just the same like that, schedule and tell it what you want to do, and then to set to set up the trigger, come to this pencil icon, click edit, and you will see call via API. So you might need to add a new trigger. Since I have this trigger, just click on it and you will see the link where it's going to fire. This is a webhook link. Copy this link and generate token, and then ask your Claude to wire up this token with your Notion or the tool you are using to get the webhook from. So this is how I created this webhook, and I'm just going to show you what my AI agent created when I asked it, hey, I want to record a video about Claude Code work and ChatGPT work. So I gave it this real raw thought about, hey, I want to create a video about this topic. So I want to give each one of them one prompt, exact same, and I want to test the output. So the AI agent run today, this morning, and it went and done a research and written the titles, the thumbnail concept, and the video outline deck. So I'm going to open this and just to show you what the AI agent was just this simple prompt. Not prompt, it's just I just wrote down my raw thought, and the agent fire and done everything promptly. So it created a folder on my machine called Claude Code work, ChatGPT work. So when I go inside this folder, I will see the deck, which is index HTML outline. So this is a video presentation. I can open this and I read it and I know what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about ChatGPT work and Claude Code work, etc., etc. And not just like that, even created thumbnails. As you can see, I have thumbnails in here. I have 4 thumbnails. Let me just open these thumbnails inside Visual Studio Code. So this is Visual Studio Code, and where is the video here? Under my temp folder, under the video, and then I have Claude Code work, and then the deck and thumbnail. So these were the thumbnail were created. As you can see, At first, that was the first thumbnail. I don't like that. This as well, it created my images. This is my image created with Higgs field, and this is my other image, this other thumbnail. I don't like this as well. This ChatGPT icon, Claude icon, and this is the third thumbnail. We're all created with this simple first outline or first raw thought, and just creating a new page and set it into ready, and then the agent fired and change the workflow into done. So if I change this into ready, it's going to fire the same again. As you might notice, I could run manually from here, and also this AI morning radar, I could run it manually from here. So when I go inside this morning brief, I could run it, and I will see it running right now. So in just a minute, it's going to be down here, start running. So the workflow is start running. I will see it is start running today at 10:25, and time now is 10:25. So this is how you can create any workflow, any automation inside Claude, inside something called routine. So go and play with it, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.